Okay.
Except we have a break. Except we have a break of this ascending wedge now. But the best thing would have been because already when he broke it off the 1 hour, I have seen a retracement backwards to this zone here.
All right.
That's my take for Euro JPY. Then for GPJPY. Then for what is open? I'm trying to
before
open.
before
Okay,
going
before I go
before
there.
before going to another pair. All right. Let's
Okay,
just talk about that GBP So where were you,
okay.
seeing an entry position based on this analysis?
Based on this analysis, okay. The only place I can say, okay, I will say an entry point for you to come back to region, this region,
Right.
because I'm trying to adopt something. I don't want to be doing contra trends anymore. So except if price breaks this trend line and
Right.
probably does a retracement and does a correction, it breaks it and do a correction like this, yeah, then I might enter if I now have a Marubuzo candle according to you. The Marubuzo or maybe bullish engulfing, then I can enter here. But if not, if I see a reversal here, maybe like a head and shoulders or M&W, but I've not even looked at this thing very well. Am I seeing any?
So you say you say when you see a continuation pattern that is bullish flag right there, you will take a buy.
If it breaks here and comes down, if it breaks this trend line, but the best one would have been for price to retrace here.
Yeah, because personally, I
Yes,
won't take a buy right there, even if I see price continue going up.
because there's really no structure.
We are at a resistance. If you see, according to your trend line, you see we have some touches around 3 touches right now, almost 3 touch. That is
One,
according.
two, three. So
Yeah.
yes,
So if you go with the history, we see that anytime it touches that level, it bounces off or it drops. So taking a buy or looking for a buy position right there is kind of risky though. So if you, like you were saying, if you want a good buy, maybe you just need to wait for that pullback. That is now according
pullback.
to
Yeah.
my trading style.
That's what I want to adopt. I don't want to be risking my money.
All right. At the same time, you know about order blocks. Is that right?
Yeah, yeah.
All right. Now
But
try.
the way you do your other blocks is quite okay. Okay, let me try it.
All right. Just zoom
The
in.
way, okay, okay. So if I clear the drawings to remove the lines,
You just
I'm
remove them.
looking for the eraser. I'm looking for the eraser. The eraser should be here. No, no. Eraser should be here. You have the red displacing here. Eraser. Okay. Okay. If I remove all drawings now, everything will go off. Okay.
If you want
Sorry.
to, maybe you can right click and remove all drawings. If you want to remove everything.
Yeah, but to remove the trend lines now.
Oh, you don't want to remove the
That's what
trend lines. Okay.
I don't want to make the hard force to draw again. So other blocks. Okay. If we were to use other blocks the way SMC other block, that might be different because I noticed you kind of do your other blocks based on your support and resistance zones there. Okay. So if we were to do that based on this thing, we have something here. I'm saying this here. Okay. Based on the way you do your this thing, other block. But I know if it's based on SMC, we're not doing SMC here, so we can't do that here.
Yeah, I,
We
I
would have said
want
this and
you. I want you to talk about SMC. If you know about SMC or order block, I want you to talk about That is, if you were supposed to
Okay.
take the end based on order block
Okay.
or SMC, yeah.
Okay. So let me remove this first. If I was to take it based on SMC, looking at this trend now, what I noticed here now basically, this is a break of structure. This
Right.
zone here. This is a break of structure. So if this is a break of structure, let me expand it very well. SMC most times it depends on where you want to put it. There are so many other blocks you can have here. If we see here, okay, let me put it well. Okay, maybe take that. No. Okay. So SMC, this is like a W now. Price has not come back to there.
Right.
Price has mitigated this other block, so we can't be looking at there again.
Okay.
Whereas if we are taking it this way, that this is a break of structure. So price, that means price will really come down. So I'm not too comfortable with that. Except I want to take here as the other block.
Alright.
I can take here as the other, I can take here as another block. Looking at the present listing. Price has broken structure. Here, this zone is like a break of structure. That will be a break of structure. That will be a break of structure here. Break of structure here. There's also another block here, but I will take this other block as a stakeout. Or probably it will act, this other block can act as an inducement.
Okay.
So probably price, if it's if price comes like this, price can maybe if price comes like this, I'm seeing it bouncing back a little bit for a while because of this small zone. Then coming back again to probably here.
Okay.
Okay, so it might be here. So
So
basically, it might be this other block. But then you have to wait for a confirmation of a lower time frame, maybe the 15 minutes. It breaks as if it comes like this. That is on the assumption. Sorry, on the assumption that price came like this.
okay.
Price came like this before getting here and did something like this again. Then did something like this.
Let me help you using that tool. So there's a certain tool that you need to use instead of the one that you just used. Let me show you. I don't know the name. Just a minute. Let me check.
Is it Elliott impulsive wave or corrective? I think it's one of them.
Let me see. I don't think so.
Okay.
Is it?
Elliott's maybe.
Nah,
I'll be
no,
the X and
it's called a path, not Elliot. Path.
Pat. Okay, Pat.
Yeah.
Pat. Okay, Pat.
You see it?
I've seen it.
Path. So you click, then you drag it. No, is that a path really? That's not. That's not
I
path.
drag it to the end?
No, that's not path.
This is it now. I saw it before.
No,
Sorry.
I see. Can you see?
That's it.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, click on that.
That's it.
Yeah.
So I start from here now. I left click.
Click it.
But why I left click, but it stopped. That means I shouldn't left click or. Okay.
Something. Then hit it. Then you see.
Okay.
Just like that.
Okay.
Take it down how you want now. No, just start all over again. You should not right click. Just left click. Anytime you, let's say you drag it to the support, left click, take it to the resistance, left click, just like that. Just one.
Okay. But I'm left click, but it's not stopping. Okay. Left click. Okay. Left click. Yeah, but I've left clicked now, but why is it not still? No,
because delete that. You should not, I don't know what you're doing though.
Actually, I'm not using a mouse. I'm using the touch pad of my laptop.
Yeah, but then it should work. Then click, then take it up.
Okay.
Click once again. Just once.
I'm not supposed.
Yeah.
I'm not supposed to left click. I'm supposed to tap tap my touchpad
Okay, no
for it to
problem.
stop and continue.
Lucky, I don't
To
know
stop
what's wrong
here.
with Lucky. Lucky is saying he can't see your screen. Probably your internet has an issue because I'm seeing exclusive Forex. Can you see screen? You can unmute your mic. Okay. Do not double click. I think that's the problem. Delete that and start afresh. Now, when clicking, don't double click. Just once.
No, it was the touchpad I was even using. So okay, I'm not supposed to even use the left mouse or the right mouse. It's just the touchpad I will be
Yeah.
clicking.
Okay.
I get
So
it now.
so
So
so.
let me do it properly
All
now.
right.
So okay,
You
so
can add that to your favorite tools then.
yeah, okay. This screen go away. Screen share. Okay, sorry. Add to my favorite. I get what you mean.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, start. Okay.
You can right click to undo that. Okay. That's it. That's it.
Okay,
So
right. Okay, so let's start from here. What I'm saying that price goes like this.
yeah.
It goes like this. It goes like this. It goes like this. It goes like this.
Yeah.
Okay. So if price has gone like this, if I'm to enter, I'll wait for price of the lower time frame, the 15 or 5 minutes, to break this zone. Immediately it now breaks this zone.
Right.
I'll be expecting something like this. For it to go like this, probably go like this, go like this. Then look for another block of this lower time frame.
Okay.
Look for a lower block. Look for a lower block of this lower time frame. To probably come back at an order block. Another block. The other block somewhere around here. To enter. Then I will take this entry because basically, even coming down again, there has been an inducement. And price has taken the liquidity of this inducement to come down here. That's the way I might take it, but that's the way I might take it.
Right. So, you see,
and why I might want to take it is that if you look at this place, this is a very SSR, significant resistance zone.
yeah.
Price touched here, broke here, touched here. So most likely, I don't see price breaking this place.
It's a flip zone. All
It
right.
will only react, but sometimes it depends. Yeah, it's a flip zone. But price is funny sometimes. It might even want to weak, and instead of deceive people and respect this other block instead.
All right. So okay. Yes. No problem about order block. So now one thing I think you forgot is that we have a trend. Try to zoom out because talking about the support trend line, that the horizontal trend line. Zoom out. Zoom out.
Out. Okay. Make it small.
So you see we had a touch. No, you just zoom in a little bit.
Okay.
Right there. That's still okay. So we had a touch. Can you see that? First touch, second touch, and now we've not seen a third touch. Horizontal trend line.
Here.
Down. Horizontal, the trend line. The horizontal trend line.
Okay.
Yeah. Support.
Okay.
All the way down. The major one. The main one. Can you see one?
Okay. This one. Okay.
Yes, that one.
Okay.
So you see we had that kind of behavior. First touch, second touch, right? We've not had a third touch. Right.
Okay.
So zoom in with the current market price where you were explaining about the order blocks just a little bit. So right there. So you see if you anticipate price to reverse from that level of yours according to the SMC, type of astrology. So you see there's going to be a problem because there's a possibility that the market will still continue going down. So when you are waiting for your entry, I believe you'll be having a pending order. the current market
Okay.
price, where you are saying, okay, this might be now the last order block that you should be waiting for before taking a buy. So I believe you
Yeah.
are triggered. Your pending order might be triggered right there. Then you see the market, trying to drop, taking out. I think
To
so.
this level.
Yeah,
Yes. Yeah, because of even the trend line I'm
the
having,
trend
the
line.
three
Yeah,
touches you were talking about.
that's it. And at the same time,
Yeah,
you see
one
there's
touch.
a wick.
Here,
Yeah, right there. There's a wick. So what
which
may
is
make
another block too.
yeah, what makes you think that
Which
price
can
might not retest that level?
yeah, because that is like another block too.
Good. Now, all in all, what I wanted to tell is that yes, we talk about trend lines. Then now you see you need to incorporate order blocks too.
Okay, sir.
Just now, when we're talking about entries, we need to incorporate order blocks too and understand the behavior of the market. You know, that is because we are going to look for entries. Okay.
You just taught me something now. If not what you just did now, there's this the way my brain works. When I want to look at SMC, I look at it for this trade. But you have taught me how to combine price action now with this. No, you said you trade everything before. So I'm saying it now. Because normally as a person I cannot combine everything together like this. If
Yeah.
I was to do SMC, I'll take it to another chart, clean chart, and start SMC.
Right.
That's the challenge I was always having before.
Now, that's it. So at the same time, if you see that trend line of yours, the main one,
Okay.
you needed to
Okay.
adjust that. Don't ignore the wicks. Can you see? Make sure they touch the
Okay.
wick. I know most people do, draw their trend lines passing through the body,
Okay.
but
Bodies.
that's a problem. Let's not ignore anything.
Okay. So it's better.
Most articles
It
say,
should be
okay, you
like
can
it should
ignore
be.
the wick. Yeah, but why will we ignore wicks? Make sure they touch. Right.
But
So
if we look at it this way, this will be the fourth touch. There's already like two
okay, yeah,
touches
yeah, yeah.
there already.
But I do.
One, two, three.
I'll call that all that just as a touch, because that was just a reversal
Yeah.
structure at our bottom. So I'll just call it one touch. So just
One
wait.
touch.
Yeah.
Okay, I get it. Okay.
Right.
Okay.
So if you maybe analyze the last pair and incorporate
EJ.
SMC2, start with your analysis the normal way, identify the trend of the market, behavior of the market structure. Then now when you want to look for entries, remember right now we've talked about SMC, but remember we still need to also incorporate reversals structures before making entry.
Reversals.
Yeah. So you need to be
Yeah.
good in reversal structures. You need to understand how the market, respects double bottom, inverse head and shoulder, double top, such things. And also you need to be good in candlesticks, Japanese candlestick. That's the last, the last signal to tell you that now price is ready.
To go.
Okay.
That will be at the entry stage.
Yeah, the last
Okay.
one. Now try to give me the last any pair, any random pair. Try to analyze.
Okay. Okay. So I should not do this thing. EJ again, since it's similar.
Yeah. Avoid anything
Okay.
that has JPY
Okay.
now.
Okay. So should I look at US 30 at the almighty
You
goal?
can.
Let me look at the almighty goal that everybody is scared of.
But I
Okay.
was scared. Sometimes back, I was scared of US 30 and NASA 100. But then I came to realize that, I don't know why people should be scared of those pairs.
Because it's for fun for prop firms, it is even easier. Okay, let me look at NAS 100. Okay. US tech,
US Tech, no
Stone.
problem. You can use Paperstone, you can use Oanda, whichever.
So, it will be this, yeah. Okay. Daily, it has been a bullish trend since. So sometimes I look at candlesticks to analyze bias. Okay. Daily. It is okay. Let me start from the monthly. So if I make a mistake, you will correct me. Monthly, it is bullish. So, sorry, It was yearly I was looking at 12 months. It is bullish. Oh, sorry. It's bullish. Let me go to one here. I will say it's bullish. Oh, sorry, we went to the 30 minutes. So let me look at the weekly. The weekly is still bullish. And it's still bullish, but presently what we're having a retracement now. So let me look at the weekly and see what I see daily. I look at the weekly. Let me minimize it. What do I see? Mm, the best I can have is the channel. So, okay. This is what I see of the weekly here. What I see. Then I also see a continuation pattern based on this break. Now let me go to the daily. I'll see better now. To see if it was giving me a zigzag to correct downwards. Okay, so we go to the daily. Okay, yes. Come to look at this. We did a good break and test. Break and test. Give a continuation. Yeah. Let me expand the daily for no, I shouldn't do that. So what I can also see here now is this. This is also another flip zone of the daily.
Okay.
But a very see a flip. So let me put that and see what I see when I go to the lower time frame. I know whether it's actually a flip zone in it. So I don't know whether let me look at this. This is a big channel.
Okay.
So is that one working? Okay. Look at it this way. Except I want to adjust this. Adjust it this way. So let me go to the 4 hours now. Let me go like this. It's tricky. Okay, price is reversed. So for me, as a person, the only thing I'm seeing here, the safest place for an entry will still be that this is the safest thing. This is the safest thing. But how long are we now going to wait? If we're waiting for if we're waiting for a bullish entry. Undo what's that undo? This is where I'm saying this is the only place I would say will be the safest place to wait for.
Okay.
To wait for a buy.
All right.
This is the only place. But if you look at this now, if we go to the 1 hour, this is supposed to be like a reversal pattern. I'm seeing a reversal pattern here. But okay, reversal pattern. We go to the 1 hour. You might call it a double top, but if you want to look at this thing holistically, based of the 1 hour, this is also a flip zone. So this is an impulse. We can look at this as a continuation, but this continuation is kind of risky the way I see it, because if you expand this thing on a lower time frame, this is like a left shoulder. Where is that part? I think I'm beginning to enjoy that part. Okay, it's in my favorite. Sorry, it's supposed to be like, this is like a head and shoulders. Let me expand it very well. That is if we go to a lower time frame. If we go to a lower time frame, this might be a head and a shoulders. An inverted head and shoulder. So to be on the safe side, if we must really take this straight. But what I'm seeing here now, because of this flip zone, and looking at the 4 hour, being that this is the major structure. Sorry. What happened? That this is the major structure to buy. So if we have a break of this place, a full candle close, I don't know, will I say maybe the 1 hour or the 15 minutes? If we have a full candle close here, maybe like a Marabuzo, we might take a sell to that zone. But I don't know now whether it will be off the 15 minutes or the 1 hour. Okay, let me look at this. Okay, looking at this 15 minutes now again, we're having trends in trends. This is an impulse. Okay, but it's even clearer now, because here now we can call this a continuation pattern too. And if you are to follow it holistically now, this is the continuation pattern. So I think I'm suspecting that this thing to be a fake out. The inverse head and shoulders to be a fake out, because I'm looking at this thing again. I'm also seeing another continuation pattern again. I'm also seeing another continuation pattern here too again. Seeing another continuation pattern again. So based on this, I'm seeing again. Okay. I don't feel. So based on this, we're having an impulse here, a correction here too. Yeah. We have a flag here. We have a flag here. We have a flag here. So if we really want to be on the safe side, if I want to do the sell, maybe the way I will do. So why I might take this sell now is just basically because of the fact that this is like a major zone. So if I have a break of this place, I might off this zone down here now. I might just do this. I think that before I might even want to say above to be on the safe side above here. So let me now go to the 1 hour for 1 hour. Finish with 4 hours. This will be like going against my trade plan though. But because of this flip zone off, I think even off the 4 hour, I think we can do this. But if we're doing this off the 4 hour now, I don't know. That SL might not be. Okay. So, sir, This is my tick for no. It has to be below. Except I want to wait for a break. For you as a person, sir, will you wait for a break below this external trend
Andi
line,
ya mfunela martini noritana kolo ya.
or you will go for or you will go down to the 15 minutes to be on the safe side? I don't know. Maybe we will just wait for the break, or we'll do it. That's what I mean. It's
Okay.
of the 15 minutes now. What I'm saying that on the break of this trend line here, once price breaks out of this, we'll enter like this and maybe leave our.
You can. Now there's a problem. Zoom out.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Maybe you can remove those impulse correction that you were drawing.
Is it okay? Okay, the pause correction. Okay, I get it. Okay. I'm just wondering how I'm going to integrate SMC with this because it's looking. I think I know. I'll look at it. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
All
I should remove the other ones too.
No,
Should I remove the other
no,
ones?
no, 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 no. Now, can you see where you have that rectangular tool? Yeah, that one. The rectangular tool.
This one, okay.
Yeah,
Yes.
I need you to drag it to the bottom just a little bit. I don't know if you can see. Not that one, not the trend line. Rectangular tool.
Okay, this one. Okay.
Yes. Hold it, drag it to the bottom. There's a level. There's where we have that wick. To the bottom, just a little bit down.
Okay.
All right,
Yeah.
right there, right there. So
Okay.
if
Okay, yes, better because there are a lot of zones it's touching.
okay, now
I get what you're saying.
if we have that zone marked out and you see that Nasdaq is approaching that level in that kind of a pattern, can you see that pattern? The one that you were talking about, something like continuation pattern or a correction phase.
Okay. Okay, here.
All
Okay.
that, yeah, all that pattern. Now there's that kind of an approach. That
Sorry, I'm not even interpreting it well. It should be going up. It's
no,
facing
yeah.
down, not
So
facing
we
up.
don't know. It might go up
Yeah.
or it might go down. Because now, generally, if we talk about that kind of an approach, somehow it do signify something like a reversal structure, for the
Yes.
market to go up.
Up,
So that's
yeah.
why I
I
say
didn't-
that's why I say looking for buys on us right there might be risky. At the same time, looking for sell might be risky. So if we want to look for good sell position, then we should look for a flag continuation pattern.
to the upside here.
Flag. Now, if you want to take a sell, a flag, bearish flag, that is what I'm talking about.
It's supposed to be like this. Okay, sell. Okay. I get you. I get what you mean now. I get what you mean. What you're saying is that means basically if you want to take a sell, you should wait for this. Ready to do the impulse. Then do the correction. So it should be something like this. It should break this trend line upwards and also this. But that means in that case, sir, that means that even what this inverted head and shoulder we are seeing should be valid now. That means this should be valid. Either we'll have a continuation, impulse, correction, breaking this upper trend line, then that will be the best place to do it. Sorry, for a buy. Okay. Then for a sell, for a buy, it should be like this. Break and correct. This way. This would be the best way to buy if we're going to buy. Then for a sell, it should break this place, then pull back. That would be the best way.
All right, yeah. But generally, you see that pattern usually signifies, the market needs to reverse to the upper side. But you never know. This is forex market. We had the same pattern on a USD card last week, but one, and the market dropped instead of reversing. So you see.
Okay. Let me look at the daily. But if I look at the daily now, if I look at the daily, no. We can't even decide what is happening.
Now the daily, I can see already there's a sign that it wants to drop.
It wants to drop, but at least it needs to break this candle low now.
If you go to the 4 hour, let me show you something
Okay,
that I'm already seeing on the daily, though. We have to candlestick on the daily, but they make sense on the lowest time frame, right? So you see where you call us a double top, right?
Yeah. These two places.
Yeah. So I don't think that is a double top, right? So
that's not a double top.
That's not a double top. So this is what I want you to do. Delete that. All right. Can you see where you have that trend line, the bigger trend line? No, just let it be. No problem. I'm talking about the zone that you were calling a double top. Right. Before you do anything, I need you to adjust that trend line, the biggest trend line that I see you drew. The main trend line. Just
based on this.
Just zoom in.
I think I did it off the day.
Just zoom in. I want to concentrate on the current market price.
Okay. I understand what you're saying.
All right. So
forget about the back.
All right. Take it back. Take it back. Just take it back.
Downwards.
Yeah. I mean, move it to the left. That is.
Okay. I have to minimize it.
No. Just let it be. Just. I want to concentrate on the market.
Okay,
the current market rate.
Okay, move it back.
Yeah. Continue doing that.
Okay.
All the way. Just that's okay. That's still okay. All right. So now zoom into the current market price. All right. Okay. Now, can you see where you say that was a double top? I need you to take.
It's not a double.
Take a trend line tool. All right. No.
From the down first.
Let me. Okay, delete that. I need. Delete that. I'm talking about the zone that you said was a double top. That's the only place I need you to concentrate on. Right there.
Okay.
Good. Do the same to the bottom.
Yes, you taught me something before you said no.
I can't see the screen.
Oh my God.
Is it me only?
No,
what you say?
Somebody saying.
I think it's our network.
All right. Yeah, okay, I can see his screen.
Let me go out. I'll come in again.
Okay. No, right there to the top. Something like that. Yeah, right there. That's it. So that's the opposite pattern. Do you remember the one that I was saying that, if you understand the approach.
Okay, impulse.
No, just delete that. I don't want to concentrate on that level. I just needed to concentrate on the one you were saying that was a double top.
Okay.
So you see the zone that we also talked about, the current market price, where we say seems like I'm in a correction phase, and I told you that that pattern might signify a reversal or a continuation, but most probably it do signify a reversal, right?
Yes.
Good. So that is the opposite of the the pattern that you just drew, the head, the one that you were calling head and shoulder. So that's the opposite or the
Okay.
invert part. Type of.
Flag.
Yeah.
I get. Sorry, right on. I get
All
you.
right. So yeah, that's the opposite. I don't know if you can see what I'm talking about.
Yeah, what you're saying is basically when the flag, when you have an impulse and instead of coming downwards, it goes upwards. That's like a reversal too.
So
Okay.
if you see, they kind of look the same as the one you say that's a continuation pattern, the current market price now.
Yes, yes, it's the same thing because instead of going upwards, it's going downwards. So this is like a reversal pattern too.
Right. So you see, generally we saw the market was going up, and the market, price gave us that type of pattern. And you see the market started dropping instead of the market going up. So it was just to tell you that the market wanted to reverse instead of, looking for buys. I don't know if you see that, where you were saying that was a double top.
Yes. Okay.
Right. So now we saw the market drop, and now the market has started printing the same pattern that it was printing before it dropped. So it dropped, and now it's printing the same pattern, telling you that it might start going up.
Going up.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's it. Now, what I'm seeing already now on the H4, already kind of the market might, give us
Go up again.
an inverse head and shoulder before going up. Okay?
Yes. Okay.
Let me show you what I'm talking about. Right there.
I'm seeing it now.
That's left shoulder. Then now it went down.
To give us the
Head. Right. And now
so
it's going all the way up, right? So as you see, it's approaching that level. So now the only thing that's remaining is the market to drop to complete that inverse head and shoulder, and you see the market going back.
Yes.
That's it.
That is following what it even did before when it gave us this ascending channel and went down.
Right.
And there's a flip zone here again, so there are double confluences.
That is just one way to look at it. At the same time, I told you it might not be a reversal. The market might want to continue going down. So all you need to do is just, look out for two things: bullish flag or a bearish flag. Once you spot a bullish flag, then now you know that, okay, she wants to go up. And once you spot a bearish flag, then now you look for your sell properties. But for now, we can't do a thing.
Crossroads.
Right. Now I hope you got that. All right.
Yeah.
Exclusive Forex. Can you share screen?
Yeah, let me stop my screen share.
Or Mohami. I need one more person to share screen. Mohami or Exclusive Forex. Either of you. Somebody left the meeting. Exclusive Forex. You can unmute your mic.
Bro, hey, you put people under pressure, fam. People are leaving out now. You're telling people to share the screen, huh?
No, she'll be back.
Yeah.
What I did online and they do something.
Exclusive Forex. You can unmute your mic. If you can share your screen, then you can tell us, please. Mohami, can you share your screen? Are you able to do that?
Hello.
Yeah, Exclusive Forex.
Hello.
Yeah.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, how are you?
Unfortunately, I'll not be able to share my screen now,
All right, no
as
problem.
I'm following you while babysitting my younger one.
Okay, no problem. Then now, maybe next session you should be ready.
Next session, yes, I will
Yeah.
definitely come out with my screen and then
Okay, no
face
problem.
and look at it.
No problem. I see.
Thank you.
People are facing network issues here. Mr. Lucky keeps on leaving the meeting, then comes back, same as Mohami. So I think the network is a mess. Anyway, but at the same time, most people have not been joining this meeting. This is, I don't know, the third week or the world week since I say that people should be presenting. I needed to understand or to see if you guys were following along when I was teaching. But now, nobody. Everybody just decides to, to to avoid the meeting. Mohami, how are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Can you share screen today? Or
I'm struggling with the network. I can't even see
yeah,
people
alright,
when we
then no
share the
problem then.
screen.
Okay then, okay. I think maybe okay, today is Sunday. Then let's meet on Wednesday, guys. I hope you guys will be ready.
Okay.
Okay. Adrian.
Yo, how are you, my brother?
Good, good, good.
Yeah, man. You tell me, bro. Yeah. What you saying?
Sorry, sir. Was it recorded? Was it recorded?
Yeah, I was recording.